At some point in your study of intellectual property law, you may find that you have a particular interest in patent law. There are many career paths which can stem from this, the most seemingly obvious one becoming a patent attorney. As I know that you are already familiar with the basic functions of patent law, I'll proceed directly to the topic of patent attorneys, specifically their function, who may become a patent attorney, and a brief overview of the requirements involved to become a registered patent attorney within Australia. The role of patent attorneys will differ according to their sole practitioner speciality or the practices of the firm at which they are employed and their clients. Services which are generally provided include the management of clients' intellectual property portfolio and general advice as to registration and patentability. At a basic level, a patent attorney will provide advice and professional assistance as to registered patents held by their clients or potential clients, as well as to the validity of registered patents held by others. Other roles of patent attorneys include conducting audits and engaging in litigation in Australia as well as overseas, determining whether a development is new and sufficiently inventive enough to justify a patent, patent specifications, and lodging documents with the Patent Office and guiding applications through this process. Patent attorneys involved with international subjects, as is often the case due to the nature of intellectual property law, work within a worldwide network of associates from different disciplines throughout different countries. This network is essential to operate effectively and requires experience in multinational administrative processes and registration protocols. You may find yourself wondering, how do I become a patent attorney? There are more than 1,300 trademark and patent attorneys registered within Australia. The Professional Standards Board for Patent and Trademark Attorneys, PSB, maintains the legislative regimes and standards that attorneys must meet if they wish to be registered. There are essential conditions to be attained by a patent attorneys seeking registration with the PSB, including knowledge, academic, personal, employment, skill, and residency requirements. Most of these requirements are additionally set out in the patents regulations. Basic personal requirements are set out in Section 198 of the Patents Act. Knowledge requirements are set out in Regulation 20.8 and in Schedule 5 of the Patent Regulations. In order to become a registered patent attorney in Australia, a candidate must first have a tertiary qualification in a scientific or engineering discipline. The candidate must then pass an accredited course of study that satisfies the requirements of registration, and furthermore have recognised practical experience. A law degree is not essential for becoming a patent attorney. However, there are obviously intellectual property law knowledge prerequisites required by the Professional Standards Board for patent and trademark attorneys. There are 9 topic groups of knowledge requirements for registration that are included in the accredited courses, which are listed on the screen. Several Australian universities offer these courses, and education by correspondence is available through most institutions. If you wish to pursue a career as a patent attorney and wish to remain a QUT student, the Professional Standards Board has an accredited course at QUT. This is called LWN 402, Patents and Biotechnical Inventions. Further information on this course can be found on the QU website or by following the link on screen. In summary, the role of a registered patent attorney is essential for development of patentable material and new inventions in order to facilitate technological advances and scientific breakthroughs. As patent maintenance is a multinational and ongoing process, it is necessary to have dedicated professionals specialized in this area of law. Given the nature of patents, a primary background in an engineering or science discipline is mandatory, with the required legal knowledge achievable without a degree and through accredited courses available through several Australian universities. Requirements must be satisfied as per the Patent Act and per patents regulations before one can register to become a recognised patent attorney within Australia. Thank you for listening.